we all know what Amir is. And not only me, my entire family loves Amir. And we all love Amir. So thank you, Amir, for coming in. I want you to come here on stage. Thank you so much.
Well, it's a real pleasure to be here. Uh, you know, one of the few actors that I like to watch and whose work I look forward to is Anil. And so the new season of 24 is one that I'm looking forward to as well. I think season 1 was really popular. Wherever I went, people would talk about it, tell me about it, praise the serial, praise your work, Anil. So every time I used to hear that, I used to feel really happy. And I'm sure that season 2 is going to go even beyond that. So I'm really looking forward to season 2. And I think the energy that Anil does things with is so unique. He's got such a childlike curiosity about all the work he does and excitement with which he approaches anything, not just work. You know, it could be a meal, it could be anything. So I just love that about Anil, and I think that that's the energy that he brings to all the work that he does. I mean, when I saw Zoya's film, Dil Dhadakne Do, I was just bowled over by Anil's performance, and he constantly surprises you and entertains you in so many ways. Wishing you all the best, Anil. Yeah. I think it's going to be something that we'll all look forward to, and my good wishes and congratulations to the entire team. Uh, and very keen to see what you have to show us. Yeah. That is really fantastic, yeah. I really love that. What do you guys think? Huh? Anil? It's amazing. Yeah?
I want your feedback.
No, I thought it was amazing. I mean, I can't imagine on television to see, you know, the scale and it's like watching the movies. Yeah. There's no difference at all, and it's really wonderful to see that, you know, this quality of work is happening on television. And you know, Abhinay is someone who I've worked with earlier, and he's done a wonderful job. You know, well done. Yeah. Really amazing. You know, the entire cast. Who's on the background score? Yeah,
Raju Singh.
Very good background. Yeah, the background score. I mean, everything. You know, the production design, all the actors, Renzel. So it's wonderful. Yeah, it's great to see that. Yeah. I'm really taken aback by what I've seen. And I have absolutely no doubts in my mind that it's going to really fly.
Thank you very much. I would like Abhinay to come on stage, please. Abhinay.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the directors of our show, Abhinay Dio. Give him a round of applause.
Renzel, please also. You also come, please.
So when is it starting on TV?
Raj is the boss.
17th of July.
17th.
Okay, so Abhinay, we'd like to hear from you, please, first.
So, first of all, as Amir said, it is not, you know, he's given me a much more credit than I deserve. I think it's a relentless work of all of the 24 team. And I personally believe that everyone, whether it's cast, crew, everyone has superseded themselves. I think what they've done the last season, the new cast and the crew which has come in, because without the whole team, it's impossible to come up with this quality of work, or any work for that matter. So please, this is Ren and all of you over here. Thank you so much for being so incredibly, to push yourself so much, you know, for the show, to be able to achieve something as good as what we just saw. And hopefully we should be able to deliver even more, you know, as the show comes on air. Thank you.
I just want to take this opportunity to thank Raj and Manisha once again, and the entire Colors team. Without their inputs, criticism, you know, balanced with praise, have been really, really valuable. Absolutely valuable. And, 24 wouldn't have been possible. And I mean it from my bottom of my heart. Seriously. I mean it. The kind of contribution the team, the Colors team has given to this show, we've learned so much. And I mean it from, obviously we are all learning from this show. First season, we all were trying to do something which has never been done on Indian television, so we all were learning. The channel was learning, we all were learning, and we all have learned, and we have learned a lot from the channel. And especially, Raj, thank you so much. You've been a great, great friend. And I want to thank Manisha is not here, but her contribution is tremendous. I mean it from my bottom of my heart. Seriously, thank you very much. And the entire star cast over here, has been wonderful. The technicians, everyone has worked relentlessly, passionately with, I just don't have any words. This show is not about money, I swear on God. I mean it. We all are doing it because we love this show. We love 24. So I think we're going to have a Q&A, Amir, and with the...
I don't know whether I've seen anything like this on Indian television before. Am I mistaken? Because I don't watch much TV. But on this scale, I don't think there's anything that has been there.
So please praise me. Yeah.
A big congratulations to
but
Colors.
Season 1 was the first step. Yeah. Season 2 will be
even bigger.
Yeah. And it's been a labor pain, to be very honest. We've gone through this for almost now. That's one thing we've learned, and hopefully, the business that we are in, it's quite dynamic. It's been now almost 2 years, 1.5 years.
1.5.
1.5 years. I think the gap was a little too much, and hopefully when we do the next season, we won't have that kind of a gap. And but it's been good. It's been a good learning, and it's been a good journey. In fiction show, I don't think there is any other show on Indian television that's as expensive, as well as in terms of mounting any show of this scale and size. And the casting, I think the casting has been brilliant. Brilliant.
I want to hear Renzel, what he has to say as a writer, the person who starts it all. Huh?
Yeah, I just want to say that it's been a year and a half of writing, which is quite exhausting. I don't see many of the writers here, but on their behalf, I just want to say it was great fun, but we killed ourselves. It's actually like writing about 8 movies. If you just look at the number of hours of footage you need to put on air, it's about 30 hours you cut down to 20, 24. So that's a lot of writing. So I don't know where the writing team is, but I just want to say that we had a really difficult time.
All right. Sorry, Mr. Kapoor, were you going to say something?
Yeah, I think let's start the...
Yes.
Amir, I think you were... Yeah.
No, and I was just thinking before we do the Q&A, it would be a good idea to call all the actors for a photo op on stage and let everybody get to see them.
All right.